Hi, hello people, welcome back to my channel Visualize with Winnie. So in today's video we are going to talk about the most important process of GS syllabus segregation as well as PYQ segregation. I hope you all remember tomorrow is our deadline to complete the GS1, GS2, GS3 question paper separation according to the syllabus. So I hope you will all complete it by tomorrow. So it was only by today that I was able to complete. That is why yesterday I couldn't do, because I was segregating the question papers. I hope you all rush and complete it by tomorrow so that we can start our studying process by the next month. And I will tell you what to do in these 5 days of this month. So these 5 days are very important because we are going to learn the previous year questions alone, not the answers, previous year questions alone. I will tell you what we will do in these 5 days. And before that, I wanted you to segregate the syllabus properly, the previous year question paper properly. You can either do it in systematic format, that is using online media, that is the phone, or you can use it in the handwritten format. In both ways you can do whichever is comfortable for you. So in this video we are going to primarily see how to segregate the question paper and keep it properly so that you can have it for your reference and learn from it in the upcoming days. So this is what we are going to look into this video. I hope you all will complete it by 25th of this month so that we can continue our learning process together without any further delay. I will tell you how to do that, and for that first decide whether you are going to do it in a handwritten format or using the systematic format. I will tell you about both these methods in this video. Choose whatever is comfortable for you. That will be my suggestion. Don't do something because I do it because you feel it is comfortable. So that is one of the precautions that I would like to give you before doing all these things. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Handwritten format, it is like writing all the question papers according to the year wise. GS1 from 2013 to 2023, GS2 2013 to 2023, GS3 2013 to 2023, and you are going to pin it as your notes. And whenever you are writing something, I want you to keep it in mind. Leave the left side or right side portion of it as well as the bottom side of it. Bottom side of it. I always leave the bottom side. Some people leave left and the bottom part. Why? Because if you have any value additions, you can write it down or on the left side. You don't have to scratch it or it will become chaos, because UPSC is a dynamic process and you will add on more kind of things. So whenever you're going for handwritten format, this is a simple tip that you have to keep in your mind. Leave either the side of a paper, a small space, or bottom of the paper at this length. So that is what I have to convey to you when you are writing systematic format. So this is how you will pin your paper, and always keep a newspaper or something and write it GS1 and keep all those things inside, whatever you have written. Similarly, GS2, keep it in a separate file. If you have file, you can put it inside it and keep it. And for GS3, keep a separate file. So this is how you will do in a handwritten manner. And for online media, there are 3 ways that you can do. So I usually do online media because I don't have time. I have very small time to spare during my work hours, and so I use only online media. So I will show you what are the ways possible. So previously I used OneNote for my note segregation. So I will show you how OneNote works, or how did I do it in the previous year. I will show that. But now I am not using OneNote because it sometimes hangs in my phone. I don't know whether the problem is with the phone or with the app, but now since it is hanging, I think I'm switching over to Telegram, because in Telegram itself now you have the option of segregating things. So now I'm using Telegram. You can either use Telegram or you can use Evernote. So these are the 3 options that are available to you, and there are also plenty other softwares that is available to you also. Look whatever suits you and you can adopt that. So I will give you an example of OneNote as well as the Telegram of how to segregate things, and I will show you how I have segregated things in this year in Telegram and in the previous year in OneNote, so that you can also use it. So those whoever are feeling that online media is good for segregating your notes, you can use it in that kind. So without any further delay, I'll just show you that. Basically the one note that I was mentioning, so you can just jump into it, and this is how it looks. You can create a notebook if you want in your name. So I've already created a notebook, that's why I'm not getting into it. So you can make such kind of notebooks. For example, I have made it for GS1. So you can make it like this. For example, as I already said, first part deals with art and culture or art forms, literature and architecture. Second part modern history. Third part PIC. Fourth part world history. Fifth part Indian society. Sixth part geography. And inside everything you can put whatever you want. For example, inside this I have created subtopic for world geography, distribution of natural resources, factors responsible, and you can write anything you want, or you can post previous year question paper here, or you can directly, you are reading a good article and you think of pasting it here, you want it for further reference, you can just copy paste it. It is a very initially when you do it, it consumes a lot of time, but it is very useful tool for you to consolidate at the end. If you feel this is comfortable for you, you can do it. So last year I was doing this only, in this only I was doing. So you can see that I have for each paper, GS1, GS2, GS3, and also for my optional, economics optional, for current affairs I have separate things. Like I used to segregate month by month. And then answer writing framework that I learned from toppers, I used to write it off. I used to consolidate and write it here. In any other class I attend and I learn answer writing, I will write notes from it, and I used to take a picture of it and stick into this OneNote. So this is how I used online media OneNote to segregate my notes. You can use this one, or as I already said, this app is often hanging in my phone, so I don't prefer this app anymore from this year. So as a fresh preparation, I am just so you can see the lot of notebooks that I have. I'm just switching to Telegram. So we will just move to Telegram and see how I do it in Telegram. So this is basically Telegram that we all use. So here I have my personal tracker, and see, I have created many topics similar to OneNote here itself. Like the one that I'm doing now is generally syllabus decoding and GS1. So you can see that I have created separate topics for GS1 PYQ, GS2 PYQ, GS3 PYQ, GS4 PYQ, and a consolidated form of 10-year PYQ, my analysis and targets, and GS4 materials, the ethics materials and ethics case study. So now presently I am doing only this work. So you can see the syllabus from the Drishti material that I have shared with you. I have here the syllabus decoding of GS1, GS2, GS3. I have it with me. I have also shared this in our group. So this is basically the syllabus decoding, and this is the thing that I made, like the questions. So one sample I shared with you, right? So like this I have prepared for every subject. For example, GS1 Indian heritage and culture, I have prepared from 2023 to 2013. Totally 25 questions are asked. I have made a PDF on it. And then for modern history, similarly I have made a PDF on it. Similarly for world history, post Indian Indian independence and Indian society, Indian geography, world geography, so complete GS1 I have made it, and I have made a separate folder and put it inside it. Similarly for GS2 I have made it on constitution, polity, governance, IR, social justice. Similarly when you see GS3, I have made it on economy, science and tech, environment, internal security. So you can see internal security, linkage between development and spread of extremism. Under this topic, from 2023 to 2013, 5 questions are asked. Next, role of state, what they are asking. Then various security forces, only 2 questions are asked. So I have segregated the syllabus. I have also asked you to do, if you don't know how to do, I have already made previous videos on that. You can go and see it, and please complete it by tomorrow, so that I will tell you what to do in the rest 5 days of the preparation. So these are the basic things that I want you to do. So either you can do it in this format, syllabus decoded GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 in Telegram, or you can do it in OneNote, or you can also physically try making notes and filing them, whichever is comfortable to you, or you can use any other app that is comfortable for you. So please do segregate it and keep, so that you don't search it every time or get confused every time. So the one tip that I have to give you here is keep your material very very minimal and also safe, and also refer those materials again and again. So as I said, after 25th we are going to learn the previous year questions only, so you should have these compilations with you ready. Keep it ready. Please analyze it by yourself. Don't download the compilations, they are not going to help you, because only when you sit and analyze and segregate the question paper according to the syllabus, you will understand what are the questions asked or how to relate the syllabus and the question paper. So I advise you not to download the compilations, and please work on yourself. Complete it by 25th, and rest 5 days we will study these question papers in detail. I will upload further videos on that. And do like, share, subscribe if you like these videos. And sorry that I couldn't do it because I was busy doing all these things. So I want you to also be busy doing all these kind of things, and please complete it before time, and let's continue the journey together. Until then, it's bye from Vinita. Do share this video if you find it helpful.